This tiny animal thinks its nose is a toy. Meet the baby elephant, the clumsiest cutie in the wild. Baby elephants don't know how to use their trunk at first. So they trip over it, swing it around, and sometimes suck it like a thumb. They love playing in water, rolling in mud, and chasing birds like it's the best game ever. Even though they're small, they stay super close to their moms, holding tails with their trunks like a safety rope. If you think this baby elephant is cute, like and subscribe right now, or I'm telling his mom you didn't share your snacks. Don't be that person. That silly little baby can grow into the biggest land animal on Earth. From clumsy cutie to gentle giant. Cute now, massive later. Nature really loves surprises.